Hi everyone. For those who know me, I'm Leona Sylvester, host. I'm here today. I just want to give some insight on my thoughts on this Amazon same day delivery. So it just so happened on Friday, I was on the train. I saw this guy with an Amazon box, and I'm like, I wonder if he picked it up from the Amazon locker. And I was like, there got to be a better way than these drones or these Amazon locker to allow people to get these mails or their products that they purchase within the same day. So as I sat there and I was thinking about it, and I said to myself, why don't Amazon, because right now when you go to Amazon.com and you search for a product, you can either purchase it and it says shipped from Amazon, or it actually says who's it shipped by, like the different companies who's actually providing the product to Amazon. Why don't Amazon um, partner up with these local mom and pop shops or shops to become to make their stores or put their stores on Amazon. So these items, they can actually get it from these local mom and pop shops, and that way they can either go to the store and pick it up the same day, or they can have it delivered to them at the end of the night. The mom and shop store can have people deliver, or Amazon can go to those stores, pick up the items, and then deliver them. Now, the reason why I think that that is a better solution is because when you think about this solution, like I was speaking to my coworker today, and I was telling him about my idea about how I think Amazon should do their local shipping, and he said to me, did you hear about what Amazon is doing right now? It was like something they released a few days ago, and I was like, no. And he was like, oh, they're doing this thing where it's same day delivery. I'm like, what? They're doing the drone things already? And he was like, no, it's something else. So as soon as I got home, I went online and I did some research. And I'm seeing all these different articles. Amazon's doing same day delivery. UPS, FedEx may get hurt by it. eBay, Google's doing something local with their eBay Now and so forth. And I was saying, and I was thinking to myself, I'm like, how are they gonna do this? So it says eBay, not eBay, Amazon Last Mile, and they're doing it in the UK. So I try to find out what exactly they were doing in the UK, and all I could see is pictures of trucks, and it looks, and that they're hiring people to be like special contractors who will be delivering this thing. So the way I look at this is, how are they gonna get the stuff to these trucks? Are these stuff going to be stored somewhere? Where will it be stored? So I'm thinking perhaps one, if they're hiring contractors, the contractors will probably have it stored in their garages or their basements if they have the room. But then they can, yes, they can have insurance on their house or their garage and the products in it. But if someone sees this Amazon truck coming in and out, being packed and filled with stuff, your neighbors nosy and they see this, who's to stop someone from saying, yo, we need to go rob that garage, we need to go rob that house? That's putting those contractors' life in danger, much less on the street. But typically in a house at night, someone just comes at night, you know how it goes. So I don't think that that would be a great solution. So then perhaps they would have storage. There's a lot of storage places around where may not be using up all their space. Amazon can say, you know what, you have a company, you're only utilizing 50% of your space, let us rent this out for a certain amount. The truck people gets have like an app or an iPad or something, and it says, bing, John at 444 66th Street in Brooklyn, New York has ordered this item. It's located at this warehouse in this cart. Pick it up and deliver by such and such time. And then he sees all his other orders for that period. He goes, he picks up those things, he drives around, and he delivers them. But then again, you have to pay for space, you have to pay for gas, you have to pay for insurance of the car, you have to pay the contractor. But if he's a contractor, more than likely he's probably paying his own space, maybe paying his gas, and you're just paying him for his mileage. But I don't think that would work, because the gas and stuff on those trucks would be a lot of money. So the way I see it, the cheapest way I see this is that you would either, one, send packages out to all these mom and pop stores and saying, hey, put your store on Amazon, and this is how you do it. Watch this video, it's simple. You get your inventory taken out, you get sales, we get sales. So when someone purchases something from Amazon, someone gets a percentage of the sale and you get a percentage of the sale, but to a point where you make a profit. Now, some of these local mom and pop shops, their prices are a little bit higher, sometimes much higher. Now, if that mom and pop shop don't want to sell their item at a certain rate, they can put it in the Amazon store with this rate. So Amazon knows, well, this store not to send it to, and they can go through their system and see which store would actually take the order. Or they can have it with that says this person wants to buy this item, what's the price? And the store owner can cling back, who's in charge and has this program, can cling back and say, we'll accept it, and say, well, this is the closest location that has it. And then Amazon can either, one, have the customer go pick it up at that location, or two, hire an independent contractor who will drive, pick that up, and drop it off to them. And basically, they're a courier. Have the courier do it. Or another thing that could happen is, say that mom and pop is this is the only store that has it locally, but that store does not want to sell it at that
Alert
lower
from
rate.
system UI server. Low battery.
Do not record a video with the
Alert from low battery.
Oh, good. Thank you, Mac. Thank you. So lost my train of thought. Coming back. So say it's only this one store that has this thing local, and he does not want to sell it at the price that Amazon is selling for, and that person is accepting it. Amazon can say, "Hey, you sell it at this price because this is the price that we're selling it at, and we'll replenish your stock, so you'll still have it back to sell it." So that person goes, the courier comes pick it up, or the customer comes and pick it up from that store that's out of that person's store, and then Amazon ships it to them. Amazon shipping is amazing. You usually get the item within 2 days, if not the next day, for like free if you have Prime, or for like a low rate. Everyone should have Prime though. But anyways, so then they'll ship it to that store. That store owner will get that product back within 2 days. Hey, FedEx and UPS is happy. They're getting some shipping from Amazon. But the reason why I say that is because everyone, the way I look when I try to solve something where everyone is happy and everyone is eating. You know, these little mom and pops and local stores are not doing well because of this online shopping. And if we can help them somehow, not we, but Amazon or other companies, then hey, why not take advantage of it? Why not let everyone eat? Amazon eats, these local mom and pops eat. When these local mom and pops eat, the community eats because they got to pay the taxes. They help the community, they do things for the community, and everyone's happy. It's a happy world. That is my solution and suggestion for Amazon. I usually post a lot of videos. I've been very busy, so I just want to get this out there real quick while the topic is hot. I'll probably run like a text or something, or make another video to like simplify it or clarify it a little bit more. Amazon, if you hear me, I love product development. All I do is solve problems. If you have a problem, you can always ping me, send me a message, and I'll be more than happy to assist. Thank you guys for tuning in, checking this video. It's like 11:53 p.m. I'm gonna go to bed. I gotta wake up tomorrow to go to work. I just want to get this out there real quick. Make sure you guys, if you have any questions, business ideas, if you want to do a startup and there's something you love to do, but you don't know what you can do, send me a message. I'm really good at solving problems and coming up with business a day, trust ideas a day. Too much for me to handle. That's why I started the show. My goal is to innovate more products, innovate more industries, and Thomas Edison and Steve Jobs. If I can't do it myself, I might as well help you guys do it, so that way I achieve my goal somehow, whether within you or from me. Make sure you guys check out Then Tag It app, the Channel Buster app, XLock app. XLock only works on certain things now because Android updated their firmware, and we haven't updated XLock in a while. But check out those apps. I have a couple more stuff coming. Tutor Wars is coming out. You guys are gonna love it. I'm gonna let you know more information once it's released. And I also have about 2 other apps, another product that we're working on. Oh, the Sylvester kids winter clothing line is coming. More information on that. It's different. It's gonna, you guys gonna see. And I have a couple more ideas that I want to share with you guys that I was too busy to do, and that probably someone else could take up. And I'm gonna drop those videos eventually. I've just been really, really busy. So I haven't had time to do anything lately, but I just met one of my other coworkers that I'm working with. I gave her some ideas to use that to do that I don't have the time to do, and hopefully she does them and we'll share them with you guys. But take care, good night, and thanks for tuning in. Remember, nothing is impossible. The Creator has created a galaxy that we have yet to find the end to, so the sky is not the limit. Peace out. Thank you for tuning in. Bye-bye.